Pappa's Pizza had been in Lamar ever since I was a little girl. I'm not sure the exact date that they started it. And then my in-laws became partners with the original owners. And while I was growing up, Pappa's Pizza was the place to be. It was buffet pizza, it was good pizza. One way or the other, it eventually closed its doors. And Lamar didn't have a pizza place for 25 years. So Lamar people wanted something very similar to Pappa's Pizza. We opened Mother Tucker's Pizza 2020, right before COVID. So that was a little challenge, but our town supported us through takeout and we made it to the next step.
I don't think we either one had a clue what we were getting into, honestly, but initially, just so much fun, the opportunity. We wanted to make it more about community than about her or I, the whole thing has been much bigger than we ever thought it was going to be. We laughed that first night we were open. It was pans flying and just utter chaos, and now it's just like a well-oiled machine, like it just goes like it's supposed to.
So again, we tried to go off of some of what Lamar people liked, and Pappa's was known for their taco pizza. So that's just a beef base with the crunchy chips and the lettuce and the tomato and the cheese. When we were going with the specialty pizzas, I wanted every specialty to have some form of mother, mom, female. So that's how we got Mother Load. That's how we got a lot of our names. The Mama Mia, the Hen House, all off of, a female try, if we could. New favorites that Pappa's didn't have are the Hen House, which is a chicken bacon ranch. The Mother Load is basically a supreme pizza, and at Pappa's they called it the combination, but it's definitely a favorite. It's basically your meats and your veggies all thrown together. The Backyard Barbecue is kind of a newer chicken and cheese and barbecue sauce. Favorites. The Meaty Mama is a big one, and that's just basically all the meats put on the pizza.